So this video is all about how to calculate equity in your house. So the first question you might have is, what is home equity? And it's a very simple thing to understand that home equity, all it is that how much money you will profit upon a sale of your house. So let's say you bought a house in 2015 and now you're selling it today. The home equity is how much profit you will get from that sale. So now let's figure out how you calculate this. And it's very simple. It's just a two-step equation. That's all you need to know is two things. So let's do that over here. And what you need to know is, first, you're going to take the selling price of the house, so whatever it sells for, and then you're going to subtract the amount of the mortgage loan you have left to pay. So that's the two things you need to know. And then once you subtract that, that's going to be the home equity, or how much profit you will get from the house sale. So let's do this with a real example here. Let's say Caleb sold his house for $415,000, and we'll say that he still has $203,000 left to pay back on his mortgage loan. And so what we're going to figure out is, how much money will he profit from his home sale? And so again, let's go first find the selling price. So it says he sold his house for $415,000. So selling price right there. And then we're going to subtract how much he still has left to pay on his mortgage. So he still has $203,000 left to pay on his mortgage. So now you just go $415,000 minus $203,000. So that means that his home equity is $212,000, and that's how much he will profit off of his home sale. So it's pretty simple. That's what home equity is. Have a nice rest of your day.